Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today I have a Glossybox unboxing for you. I also have a brew. I have a bit of a dry throat, so lubrication is key. I can't make my mind up if my hair is cute or messy, or possibly both if I'm very lucky. I don't know, it's just up. But yes, we are here, all 150 of you that watched this video, for a Glossybox unboxing. It's a bloody heavy box this month. It's rather huge. Yeah, all 150 of you. This is possibly my Glossybox videos are pretty much my least liked videos. I was gonna say it's definitely the least viewed video. Oh, you want that one, Gil? You can make a mess for me to clean. Thanks, Gil. He'll actually just go off camera now and shred that because I'm lucky. Yeah, these are my like least watched videos. Like a food haul is my best one, and Glossybox are my least viewed ones, but I still enjoy kind of making them. And yeah, as YouTube is a hobby rather than a it's a pretty box. Yeah, as YouTube is still my hobby and I find it fun, I shall make what I want to make. So hi to anyone who watches these ones. Look how pretty the box is this month. Ooh, pretty. So yes, it is April. Best month of the year apart from December, because obviously December has Christmas. April has my birthday, so fun fact. So less, yes, maybe I've had too much coffee today. I'm a bit of a funny mood. Yeah, super heavy box, like really heavy. Bright pink ribbon, gumph, and it looks like that. Green paper, tissue paper, it's quite pretty. Right, let's get in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That is a blimmin' full box. Where to start? Oh, Glossybox, fruity or floral. So apparently there are two boxes, I'm going to say. Well, my lid's floral, because there's a fruity box apparently. Interesting. But let's jump in. What do I have? Okay. Look at this, look at this. Okay, so I have a hydrating water infusions. Oh, I got overexcited then. It's a shower gel. I got very excited because I read water and I was like, oh, it's watermelon. It's not. Overexcited. Watermelon is one of my favourite scents. Like, scents for me come in like two categories. There's Christmas scents, you know, Christmas, and then like others. And I like fruity, foodie smells, and it's rhubarb, pear, watermelon. I kind of like goals. Yeah, and it says water, and I just read it and thought it said watermelon. It doesn't. It says hydrating water infusions, raspberry and rose water. So it's a shower gel. It's original source, so it's going to be vegan for those who are interested in that. It's very subtle. It's okay. It's not watermelon. No, it's a very subtle scent. But yes, shower gel. John really likes the tea tree and mint one of these. Original source raspberry and rose shower gel, blooming with gorgeous raspberry and rose scent. It's very subtle. This hydrating body wash is a treat for both the skin and your senses. It's very subtle. Recommended retail price £2.30. You can get original source in like Home Bargains and the Pound Shop, but they're like the standard ones, so this is obviously a new one. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Need another sippy sip. taking all my power not to do a graveyard girl. I did it. Cringe. Right, next item is Super Duper. Look at this. The brand, I want to say Super Duper, which is obviously a play on word. It's Super Duper Zesty Lemon Body Lotion with softening sweet almond oil, lime butter, and a twist of orange. Derived from more than 98% natural ingredients. No paraffin, colours, mineral oils. Blah, blah, blah. This is huge. This is... Does it have a weight? So basically, it's a body lotion. That isn't on my thing. So yeah, this isn't on my list. How bizarre. It's not in my little pamphlet. So it's a zesty body lotion by Super Duper. I've never heard of the brand. I'm going to have a smell. It smells rather lovely. How weird though that it's not on my leaflet. Random. Next thing I've got is a perfume. Let Your Dreams Blossom. So it's a 30ml perfume fragrance. So this is full size. Let Your Dreams Blossom Eau de Parfum. This recommended retail is £20.99. It's floral packaging. Rose, petals, cedarwood, delicate notes of lily, freesia, and amber. Now, I like amber. But I like, when we went to Morocco, we actually bought solid amber that you kind of rub on your skin. That's amazing. But, okay. Should we be brave? Let's let it sit for a bit. It's very floral. We'll come back to the perfume. Next thing I've got is Dr. Paw Paw. We've had this before. We've had that before. Dr. Paw Paw Hot Pink Balm, Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm for cheeks, lips. It's vegan as well. So everything so far. I don't know about the perfume. But yeah, so Dr. Paw Paw, full size, Hot Pink Balm. It's a moisturising Paw Paw. It's a lip balm. Is it pink? Like the packaging's pink. It's got one of those stupid things. Oh, it is. I don't know how well it's going to come up. So can you see? Bright pink. I wonder if that gives a tint. I don't want to rub that on anything right now. So we've got a lip balm. Recommended retail price for this one is £6.95. Next thing I've got is Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. I love a good mask. This is a deluxe mini. Deluxe mini is 30ml, it's worth 14 quid. The full size item is 50ml, that's 19 quid. Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Wake up with an energizing, refreshed complexion thanks to this regenerating sleeping mask. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin before bed and let the Ooh. This excites me. It's also got a matte packaging, which makes me happy. Okay, the perfume is settling and I'm actually liking it. It's very floral, very girly, which isn't everybody's cup of tea, but I quite like it. Okay. So this is a mask, it's not a moisturiser, so I probably shouldn't be wasting it on the back of my hand, but I want to smell it because it says it's pomegranate. Ooh, it smells nice. Oh, that smells so good. Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Ooh, I've never heard of that, ever. And I know it's not a moisturiser, it's like a mask type thing, but I wanted to smell it because I really quite, oh, that smells so good. So good. Did I say this is like, yeah, deluxe mini, 30ml, 14 quid. I reckon you get a good few masks depending on how thickly you apply it. And then I have Natural Fusions Chai Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask by Palmer's. They make the cocoa butter, which is really nice. So yeah, I've got a hair mask, which also isn't on my list. So I think there's been a little bit of a blip with my box. According to the what's in your box thing, I should have had a Nivea micellar water and a Mercy handy Flower Power like anti-bac gel, which I don't have. So should have had 6 items. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, but yeah, not necessarily the items on my list. So I have no idea how much my little hair mask is because it's not on here. And same with this giant body lotion. I don't know anything about it because it's not on the list. But yes, how do I feel about the box? I normally have a little bit of a meh when there is no makeup in my monthly makeup subscription, which is what this was originally all those years ago when it first came out. You know, I said this before, I've been getting Glossyboxes since the 2nd month they were released in the UK, and they were a monthly makeup subscription box, really. And yeah, there's no makeup in my box. However, saying that, so let's kind of recap. So I've got a hair mask, which I will use. This is the thing I'm most excited about, this pomegranate sleeping mask. It smells amazing. So a face mask, a hair mask, a tinted multi-purpose balm. It says for lips, cheeks, so maybe you could use it as like a cream blush. I don't know. It's very pink though. Shower gel. The Magical Mystery Body Lotion that isn't on my list that I am quite looking forward to using. And this perfume. So, you know, it's a really good box in my opinion. Obviously I've not got what I should have got, but I'm happy. The room now smells of this very girly floral fragrance. The packaging is really pretty as well. I don't know how well. It's quite cute. So yeah, I'm happy with everything I've got. I like this. As I say, my most exciting thing in here is that. But yeah, it's rather intriguing to have the things I shouldn't have. That makes sense? Yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video and my rambles. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.